You know, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam really longed to meet you. Like Abu Hurairah says that we went with him to the cemetery, and having entered the cemetery and greeted the inhabitants of the graveyards, as is Muslim tradition, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, وَدِدْتُ أَنِّي قَدْ رَأَيْتُ إِخْوَانَنَا. I so wish that I had had the opportunity to meet our brothers. So the ashab say, أَلَسْنَا إِخْوَانَكَ. Are we not your brothers, O Prophet of Allah? So he says, بَلْ أَنْتُمْ أَصْحَابِي. You were my companions. وَإِخْوَانِيَ الَّذِينَ لَمْ يَأْتُوا بَعْدِ. But my brothers are those who will come afterwards. They will be those who believe in me, having never seen me. And I will go ahead of them in anticipation of them, waiting for them by my pool at Kawthar. So the ashab say, if you've never met them, how will you know them in the day of judgment? How will you know that this is, followers of me and believers of me and from my ummah? So he sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, imagine a person has a herd of horses, and these horses are horses marked with marks of distinction. They have white forearms and white forelegs and a white mark on their foreheads. And then this herd mixes with an ordinary herd of horses, monochrome, bland colors. When he comes and sees his horses, will he be able to pick them from the rest of the horses? So they say, yes, O Prophet of Allah, horses of distinction will be able to be picked out from the rest of the horses. So the Prophet ﷺ say, my ummah will come. My brothers, the ones that believed in me, having never seen me, will come in the day of judgment. And their marks of distinction will be, their limbs will be glowing, their faces radiant from the athar of wudu, and I will recognize them and meet them and wait for them at my house. So glad tidings to you, Muslim, you for whom the Prophet is waiting on the other side. Glad tidings to you.